Hi everyone, and once again you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a side pocket for either a female or a male trouser, but this technique is applicable mostly to female trousers. But before we get started, I'd like you to like, share, subscribe, comment so YouTube can recommend my videos to other viewers. It helps my channel grow, it helps me to do better. So this part I'm holding right there is called the pocketing, and my pocketing is 11 inches high and 8 inches wide. Now 11 inches, it's folded into two. I have 8 inches like so wide, and then I have 11 inches long. So when you open it, I'm going to have about 16 inches all together. So now I've gone ahead to join the center piece of the front pattern of my trouser together. I've joined the center together. So this part we're going to be working on is going to be the pocket. So on the side like this, you go in by 1.5 inches, and then downwards you measure 7.5 inches. If the person is on the plus side, you mark 8 inches, but 7.5 is usually okay for a lot of people. But if the person is on the plus side, like hip 50 upwards, you make use of 8 or 8.5 inches. So you connect this point like so, and then the next thing you go ahead and do is just to curve it like so to fit in the edge like so. It's very simple and easy to make. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and use my scissors, and then I'll cut it out. Now you can choose to cut this out, you can choose not to cut it out, but for now I'll be cutting it out. So this is me trying to cut out the part I've made. Just go ahead and cut it out like so, like I've shown you. So after cutting it out, this is what I have. Now the next thing we're going to do is to bring the front pattern of your trouser like so, and then you place this part that you just cut out, place it on it like so. I'll be showing you how to place it on it and how to go about it. So the next thing I'm just doing is figuring how to place it right. I'm just trying to make sure that the right sides are facing each other. So once this is done, I'll place it like so. I'll place them right sides facing each other, and then I'll place it like so. Now you can see the part that I have left is the part that I have cut out. On the pattern fabric, you see that I have some parts left. That is the part that I have cut out on the pocketing. But then I'll use my chalk to mark it like so, because I'm going to go ahead and sew the marked area. That area I marked right now, I'm going to go ahead and sew it. If you want, you can cut it out. There's no problem. You can cut it out. But if you cannot cut it out, or you don't want to cut it out at this point, just go ahead and sew the marked area. So just sew at about 0.5 inches. But for now, let me just cut it out so there will be no confusions. So I've gone ahead to cut it out. If you like, you can place it together before cutting the two of them, two pieces together. So once that is done, the next thing is to go ahead and sew at the marked area. It's 0.5 inch away from the main fabric. So just go ahead and sew that part. Once you're done sewing, this is what it will look like. You can see it's very firm. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just to give it a notch around that part. I'm going to go ahead and notch it so that I can flip my fabric over easily without any interruptions. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just to flip it over, and this is how it is done. You're just going to go ahead and stretch your fabric away from each other, your pattern away from your plane. And then the next thing you go ahead and do is to hold it just the way I'm doing. Just watch carefully what I'm doing. Then you fold it backwards like so. And that is it. Very simple, very easy. Once you flip it over, that is all you need to make your pocket. The next thing you go ahead and do is just to top stitch on all the sides. I'll show you that shortly. Now one of the places you need to stitch is this part right there. You just go ahead and stitch it to secure it together. That's one place you need to stitch. The next place you need to stitch is the side of this part my finger is on. You need to stitch that part, and then you need to stitch the waist together. You need to stitch the waist together. You can see right there at that part right there. You need to stitch it together so it will hold your trousers together. That is all you need to make your pocket. For this part, your pocket is ready. You can put your hand inside. You can put your money, anything you want to put inside. Your pocket is ready. The next thing you just go ahead to do is just to place your back pattern on it, and then you stitch the sides together. Now for this pocket, for this particular trouser, sorry, it has a zipper. So I'll be closing one side, and then I'll be inputting my zipper on the other side. So you can see it is seated neat. After sewing it, this is what I have. I have gone ahead to join the back piece and also join the waistband to it. Now shortly I'll show you where my zipper is going to be. Now your zipper is usually seated at the left hand side of your pants or your trouser. So this is the left side of my trouser, and then my zipper is going to sit into this part. If I don't want this trouser to have a zipper, you can put an elastic band on the waist. You can do whatever it is you want to do. So with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Do well to like, share, subscribe, comment so YouTube can recommend my video to